Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today I have a very important message for yourself, how you can become A plus mentality students. So listen carefully. I need you to stay motivated. I need that motivation to make mature in discipline. I need you to be self-aware. So I need you to remember that you are always learning. And life you are always learning, and I need you to believe in yourself. I need you to see yourself capable, lovable, and unconditionally worthy of your future. Turn your pain into progress. I need you to see yourself. One of the things that make discipline students lack is vision. You got to see yourself before you get there. You have to hear yourself telling yourself thank you. I need you to open your ears, open up your ears, because the you from the future is telling you thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for not giving up. Thank you wanted to give up. Thank you for not being depressed. Thank you for not allowing the brokenness to eat your progress. Thank you. You got this. It's going to get hot sometimes. I am telling you right now, it's not going to be easy, but it's worth it. Maybe you are listening to me right now, and you, my beloved students, want to lose weight, or you are trying to pass the final exam, or maybe there's just this feat that seem as though it is impossible. Turn your pain in the progress. I need you to be the uncomfortable with average. I need you to be allergic to average. I need you to be allergic to average. I need you to come to the end of yourself. I need you to come to the end of yourself, students. So many people are depending on you. A student is hardworking. A student is mentality tough. Have the ability to adopt, have a character. My beloved students, consistency, demonstrate courage on the daily. Stay motivated, stay positive, earn your respect. Have a winning attitude, breath, compete, make no excuses, set goals, practice great habits, stay focused. You want your future. You have got to outlook everybody on that field. You got to outlook everybody in the room. You got to learn how to perform under pressure. You got to leave it all out on the field. Everybody wants a future, but everybody wants to be average. There are going to be time where you feel like you are losing your mind and you study for hours and you are going to take an exam and you will not stop pass. A student is recent. A student is resilient. A student is disciplined. A student is committed. A student is consistent when and even when they don't want to be. My beloved students, going to have to dig deep inside of yourself and ask yourself why. Why did you start in the first place? And what was the emotion, the feeling? What was the science and the philosophy behind the decision that you made? And 9 times out of 10 I can tell you why you started. You started because you were hungry. Hungry is the feeling of discomfort, students, or weakness caused by the lack of the food, coupled with the desire to eat. Because the cycle of depression need to end with you. The cycle of not encouraged need to end with you. The lack and the dysfunctions and the anxiety. And all of these things that your family and your father and your mother have gone through, you have to keep a student mentality. I study, I failed the exam. I study and I failed the test. And life is an uphill war, and it is filled with tests and exams and critical moments where you are. My beloved students, how hungry are you when you feel like throwing in the towel, when you feel like surrendering everything you worked for? Remember why you started. Remember how you felt when you started, you were hungry. When you want to let go, when you want to surrender, and when you want to stop, when you are ready to quit, when you have failed and failed again. Let me remind you what got you here. Hungry got you here. A strong desire got you here. You were desperate to break curses in family. Your family. You were desperate to break the cycle of the poverty and the depression. You were desperate. Hungry got you here. Remember this, every dreams require discipline. Every dreams require discipline. You can travel the world and the study students and their behavior and their mindsets. There is a science behind the achievement, and you study the most successful student in the world. We find that they are responsible, they are motivated, they are self-managed, they are self-aware, they have a long-lasting student's mentality. Even after they have to pass the test, because they understand that life is a test. And in the life there are ups and there are downs, and so accept the responsibility. My beloved students, see yourself as the primary responsible for your dream outcomes and your experiences. You are going to need discipline. Motivation will help you get started, but discipline is going to keep you on the road to your destiny. Be self-motivated. You got to find purpose in what you do by discovering personally meaningful goals and the dreams. If you are going to be the successful students, you are going to outcome on top. You have got to start managing your time, your plan, and you take action in pursuit of your goals and the dreams. So let me tell you something. Everybody has a dream that there is a behavior that must follow your belief system. Remember this behavior, follow beliefs. If you have not been able to change your behavior to watch your dreams, then you need to go back and examine your belief, because 10 out of 10, if you cannot change your behavior to watch your dreams, then you doesn't and believe. When somebody believes, everything changes. My dear students, the time is coming where you are going to feel like giving up, but you are going to have to remember why you started. You got to dig deep and learn how to create the possibilities for yourself. When nobody gives you an opportunity, you have to turn your mess into your message. My beloved students, keep these words in your mind and become a successful student in your life. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.